Life's little surprises can come at you from every angle. Whether compliments of the little leaguer next door, courtesy of a key fob fumble, or the results of a runaway shopping cart, Buick Protection has a plan to shield you from the unexpected, to get you back on the road with confidence. Buick Protection offers a comprehensive suite of products, including protection on top of the manufacturer's warranty, and maintains the exceptional today to help keep it exceptional tomorrow. There's also a plan that covers replacement or repairs, a plan that covers parts that wear out over time, one that gives you added protection at lease end, another that provides financial protection, and one that protects you on multiple levels, each designed to elevate your driving experience and be deserving enough to bear the Buick name. Buick Protection, shielding you today from whatever comes at you tomorrow. Ask your dealer about the only protection plans backed by Buick.